Hi guys, Ryan here with another wonderful episode of Space Updates brought to you by the Total Space Network. Coming up on today's show, Astra reaches orbit, NASA's asteroid redirection test, Parker Solar Probe sets a new speed record, and more space news. Let's get the show started. Okay, so launch updates this week coming up on Friday the 26th of November at 4:40 PM UTC. We've got a Long March 3BE deploying the Sat 6D. Then looking ahead, we have another Starlink launch from SpaceX on Wednesday the 1st of December at 11:20 PM UTC. And as always, you can join us for our live launch days right here on the Total Space Network. All you need to do is subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll never miss a single launch with us here at Total Space. Okay, so yesterday on Wednesday, the 24th of November, we saw SpaceX launch NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, better known as DART. The spacecraft is designed to impact an asteroid as a test technology. DART's target asteroid is not a threat to Earth. This asteroid system is a perfect testing ground to see if intentionally crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid is an effective way to change its course, should an Earth-threatening asteroid be discovered in the future. While no known asteroid larger than 140 metres in size has a significant chance to hit Earth for the next 100 years, only about 40% of those asteroids have been found as of October 2021, so there could be something out there hidden away. The binary near-Earth asteroid 65803 Didymos is a target for DART demonstration. While Didymos' primary body is approximately 780 metres across, its secondary body, or moonlet, is about 160 metres in size, which is more typical of the size of asteroids that could pose the most likely significant threat to Earth. A really exciting mission. I'm hopeful that NASA's DART mission will work really well, but at the same time a little sceptical on how a relatively small satellite can actually push a giant rock in space. But then again, in space, a little nudge in the right direction can lead to a large change in orbit and trajectory. If you would like to help us on our journey through time and space, head over to patreon.com/total space. When you sign up, you get everything ad-free, early access to episodes, chat directly with special guests, access to the Total Space community chat, and so much more. That's patreon.com/total space. Enjoy the rest of the show. Now, Blue Origin has announced its next 6 passengers launching on board their new Shepard vehicle on the 9th of December. 60 years after watching her father, Alan Shepard, launch on the first American spaceflight, Laura Shepard Churchley is ready to follow in his footsteps. The NS-19 mission will also include former professional football player Michael Stratton, Dylan Taylor, Evan Dick, Lane Bass, and Cameron Bass. Scheduled to take flight from the company's West Texas launch site, this is another elevator flight for New Shepard and Blue Origin. Also this week, Astra, on Saturday, we saw Astra successfully reach orbit for the first time. They've already gearing up for their very next launch. Astra's first successful launch sent a dummy payload to orbit for the US military from the spaceport complex in Alaska, and a 43-tall rocket called Launch Vehicle 0007. Like James Bond, the vehicle executed the mission flawlessly. Analysis of the flight continue, and lessons learned will be incorporated into future rockets and missions. Astra said during a news conference held on Monday following the success that the next launch is just around the corner and can't wait to see more. Now, in other news, Rocket Lab has announced with the success of our recent recovery mission, we're eagerly looking forward to the next one. Rocket Lab's first attempt at catching a returning booster mid-air with a helicopter will be launching in the first half of 2022. They went on to say the next recovery booster is all lined up in the factory, this time with an added thermal protection system for a new shiny look. Go Chrome or go home seems to be the theme here. So first Starship, then Virgin Galactic, and now Rocket Lab. And also just announced today that on the 2nd of December, Rocket Lab will be giving an update on their new Neutron rocket. We've only seen digital mock-ups and the large payload fairing as seen in previous videos, so it'll be exciting to see what Peter Beck announces later in the week. Now, a bit of news on James Webb Space Telescope. It was due to launch on the 18th of December and will now go up no earlier than the 22nd. A small delay of 4 days or so. US Space Agency statement said an incident occurred during the launch preparations that may have caused a sudden vibration in the observatory. Confirmation of liftoff date on the Ariane 5 rocket would be confirmed following the investigation. Also this week, NASA's super-fast Parker Solar Probe just broke its own speed record around the Sun. The Parker Solar Probe reached a top speed of 101 miles per second during its 10th close solar flyby on Sunday. which translates to a dizzying 364,621 miles an hour, or 586,000 kilometers per hour. The high speed comes as Parker braves the heat to get closer to the sun on a quest to better understand how our star generates space weather that affects everything from satellite operations, astronaut safety, auroras, and much more. Incredible speed for a satellite, and we're looking forward to the findings very, very soon. Now, like the Parker Solar Probe, with incredible speed, I want you to go like this video, go subscribe, go watch our dark deep dive, or go watch our quick take on asteroid classification. Who's next? You decide.